So we're going to try some of the new activities that you can do in Google Meet. So we'll start with clicking on the little puzzle or the little shapes. And you have these three options, up to three options. Some of these are still rolling out. All right, let's start with Q&A. Okay, so I can click on that and click on turn on Q&A. Now, I can ask a question to my students, like, how about those Lakers? Oops. My participants have been pretty active. Right? This was my original question, and these other two participants added two more questions. So now we have a couple of options. As the host, I can hide the question, right? And so if I click on that, now the question is hidden. So my participants can't see that question, but I can click on that, and now they can see it again. All right. This lets me know that I answered it, and this lets me delete the question. Okay, so as I'm giving my lesson, I might have students who have questions in the middle of the lesson, but I might not want things interrupted just yet, so I can have students post their questions here. And so students can vote up questions. So maybe maybe we want to talk about baseball. So I'm going to upvote that. And students can do the same thing, right? So now let's give my students a moment to go upvote their question. So now you can see that David Rivas here and the other David Rivas apparently have all upvoted this question, so including myself. So we all gave this question a thumbs up. One person gave this question a thumbs up. So, why do that, right? So I can sort the questions by oldest first, newest first, so the most recent question to show up first, or the most popular. Popular means how many little likes it got, or thumbs up. So if I sort it there, I know that the most popular questions, or the most frequently asked questions, I guess, will end up at the top. So in this case, they were talking about baseball, so I might be like, yeah, let's talk about Dodgers then, and then we'll talk. And now I can mark that question as answered. All right. And then David, of course, this is going to be on the final. It's fair game. I've answered the question. And how about those Lakers? They won the finals. We talked about it. Okay, so now they're all answered. All right. So you could also sort the questions by things that are answered, hidden questions, or unanswered questions. Since we've answered all the questions, we can click on unanswered, and there are no unanswered questions. All right. So now here I am in my drive. What you'll notice is that there are these two automatically created folders. So your drive likely has many, many more folders in here, right? And if you sort through the list alphabetically, you'll find Meet recordings and meeting reports. Meet recordings are where all the Google Meets that you have recorded are stored. Meeting reports now gives you the reports from the meeting that you just had. So I can open up the questions. So I can look at the question, who submitted it, and when, whether it received any upvotes, whether it was answered by the moderator, whether it was made hidden or cleared, and if the submitter ended up deleting it. So, ooh, look, cards. And hey, what's that little red button down there? Thanks for watching.